Hello, my friends. Welcome to New Generation Language Schools Science Department. Today, inshallah, we will speak about lesson 1. It's about motion. Motion, yes. What is motion? Put in your account and in your consideration that motion it's something you do it all the time or most of your time daily. The definition of motion in front of you here, it is a change of an object position or location as time passes according to the position of another fixed object. It is very important point. Please concentrate about of another fixed object. So here in Arabic we will translate motion الحركة. It is a change of an object position. هي تغير موضع جسم as time passes بمرور الوقت according to the position of another fixed object. بالنسبة لجسم آخر بيكون ثابت. يعني على سبيل المثال لو أنت جيت سبت حاجة في مكان ورجعت قلت الحاجة دي اتغيرت ليه؟ لأنك أنت كنت رابطها قبل كده. أنا كنت حاطط مثلا الموبايل ده كنت حاطه هنا جنب التلفزيون. بعد كده جيت لقيت الموبايل موجود في مكان تاني فجيت بتقول المكان ده اتحرك او الحاجة دي اتحركت ليه؟ لانك انت كنت رابطه بالتلفزيون ولقيته بعد كده بعيد عن التلفزيون مثلا. يبقى انت كده يبقى التلفزيون ده هو ده الفيكسد object. To simplify the concept of motion, we will study the motion in one direction. The simplest type of motion is the motion in a straight line in one direction. Yes, in one direction, like the motion of train or the metro. So if I give you a question here and I asked you why the train or the metro is an example of motion in one direction, it's because the train or the metro go forward or backward, you know? Yes. So this is motion in one direction. Okay, here we have please look carefully to the picture in front of you. We have two cars, okay? We have original position, and that car covered, the first car covered 100 meters in 5 seconds. And the other car took 50 meters in 5 seconds. Which one is faster? Which one is faster? Yeah. Okay, look at the second picture. In the second case, the red car takes a time of 5 seconds to cover 100 meters, and the blue car takes a time 10 seconds. Which one is faster? So here we will speak about speed. Okay, speed. So the red car is faster than the blue car. Why? Because it covers large distance, 100 meters in the same time, 5 seconds. But here, the blue car, it takes less time. Or no, I'm speaking about the red car. It takes less time, 5 seconds, to cover the same distance. So here you can say the red car is faster than the blue car. You can give 2 reasons. Okay. So here we have 2 factors to describe the speed. We have the distance and we have the time. So speed equal the distance over time. The measuring units of speed. We have many units to measure the speed. Here we have meter per second, meter per minute, kilometer per hour, kilometer per second. Okay. And the example here in front of you, meter per second, we can describe the cheetah. The speed of a bike, meter per minute. The speed of a car, kilometer per hour. The speed of light, kilometer per second. And it is the fastest speed you can ever see. Okay, conversion distance measuring units. 1 kilometer, how to converge. Yeah. Okay, conversion of distance measuring units. لو حبينا نحول يبقى الكيلومتر هضرب ال1 by 1000, so it will equal 1000 meters. 1 meter يبقى هضرب ال1 by 100, so 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal 1000 by 100, so it will be 100,000 centimeter. That's because you will multiply in 1000, that's 4 meter, and 104 centimeter. Okay, here in front of you we have a problem like that. Okay, 1 kilometer over hour, 1 kilometer over hour. Okay, here if you want to converge, you can put here and you can multiply in the fraction 5/18 to change from kilometer per hour to meter per second. عشان نحول على طول من كيلومتر per hour لمتر per second بنضرب على طول في 5 على 18. اوكي 5/18. اوكي طبعا جت ازاي؟ لان انا قلت الكيلومتر فيه 1000 يبقى 1 by 1000 وال1 hour فيها 60 minute والمينت فيها 60 second يبقى انا عندي 260 دول الموجودين تحت. هنيجي نعمل اختصار هيدينا فوق 10/36. هنكمل الاختصار هيدينا 5/18. يبقى انا بدل ما اتعب نفسي لو قال لي ان الكار موفز ات 72 كيلومتر بير اور يبقى عايز احولها لمتر بير سكند هضربها في على طول في 5/18 هيديني 20 متر بير سكند. طب لو الكار عندي موف ات 20 متر بير سكند وعايز احولها لكيلومتر بير اور يبقى انا هنا في الوقت ده هعمل ديفايد 5/18 او وهنا بقى في الوقت ده بنربط مع الماث ان انا بعمل باي ولكن بجيب المعكوس يبقى 18/5. اوكي عشان احول من متر بير سكند الى كيلومتر بير اور. اوكي it's your turn here. Are you ready? Okay, what is the meaning of motion? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, good. What's it meant by a car moves at speed of 120 kilometer per hour? Okay, so here kilometer refers to the distance and hour refers to time. Yes, so this means that the car covers a distance of 120 kilometer in 1 hour. A train covers a distance of 150 kilometer in 2 hours. In 2 hours here you will change, so you will apply the law of speed. Here you will say V equal D over T, D equal 150, T equal 2, so it will be 75 kilometer per hour. The speed of a car equals 0. This means that the car is at rest. It is very important point, my friends. Very important points. Here it is very important point. The speed of a car equals 0. This means that the car is at rest. Okay? Okay, here look at the give reason. Car and planes are provided by speedometer to help us in identifying the speed of a car and planes directly. Yes. في الوقت ده انت مش هتبقى مضطر بقى ان انت طول الوقت ما انت ماشي هتمسك مثلا كالكوليتر وتحسب الديب كام والتيب كام علشان في الاخر تطلع ده. فطبعا السبيدوميتر اللي موجود العداد اللي بيبقى موجود عندي في السيارة ده بيحسب لي على طول directly the speed of a car or the speed of the plane. Types of speed. We have two types of speed, regular and irregular, or uniform and non-uniform. Okay, look carefully to the picture in front of you. Here the violet car covered equal distance in equal periods of time, but so it is uniform speed. دي سرعة منتظم. أما العربية التانية اللي هي the green car ديت عندي مرة قطعت 100 في 10 seconds ومرة تانية قطعت 120 في 10 seconds وبعد كده قطعت 80 في 10 seconds. يبقى أنا عندي دلوقتي عندي equal time but not equal distance. Okay, so this is the definition of regular and irregular. Okay, regular, the speed by which the object moves when it covers equal distance at equal periods of time. Yes, very good. And irregular or non-uniform, okay, the speed which the objects move when it covers unequal distance at equal periods of time, or you can say equal distance at unequal periods of time. Okay. Yes. What's mean by an object moves at regular speed of 50 kilometers? This means that the object covers a distance of 50 kilometers each 1 hour. Give reason. It is very important question, my friends. Most of moving cars cannot move inside crowded towns all the time by uniform speed. Here you will put this answer. Okay, this is according to the road conditions. According to the road conditions and traffic. ليه معظم السيارات ما بتمشيش عندي بسرعة منتظمة؟ على حسب بسبب أحوال الطريق والمرور. The metro moves at an irregular speed. طبعا هنا طبعا المترو بيتحرك عندي بسرعة غير منتظمة because the metro covers وفي الوقت ده نعرف على طول التعريف بتاعنا unequal distance at equal periods of time, or it covers equal distance at unequal period of time. Okay, so here we have problem. We will concentrate about V equal D over T. But please, my friends, look carefully to the unit of distance and the unit of time. Okay, it will be kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay. Okay, here, by the way, science and technology and society, here's the speed of the light. Okay, here, by knowing the distance between the earth and the sun equal 149 million kilometer approximately, by the way. Okay, the regular speed of the light in the space equal 300,000 kilometer per second. So we will apply the law T equal D over V. Okay, so the sunlight will reach us in 8 minutes and 17 seconds approximately, by the way. Okay, average speed. It is very important title. Okay, average speed, it is a total distance covered by the moving objects divided by the total time taken to cover this distance. So here we will say average speed, or V dash, equal total over total D over total V. So here, if the car covered distances like D1, D2, D3, in T1, T2, T3, so V dash equal D1 plus D2 plus D3, blah blah blah, okay, over T1 plus T2 plus T3, etc. Okay. So here it is applying, but here this is a racer. Okay, here look carefully when he will say calculate the racer's average speed while running, while walking, during the whole trip. He said a racer covered a distance of 100 meters of a straight track in 10 seconds running. So 100 meters, okay, in 10 seconds. Then he took 80 seconds to come back walking. Okay, so the total trip, or the whole trip, will be the distance will be 200. المسافة بالكامل هتبقى 200 meters. Okay, and the time, so while running, you will put D equal 100 over T 10, so it will equal 10 meters per second. Average speed while walking, D 100 over T 80 equal 1.25 meters per second. So the racer's average speed during the whole trip, so here you will add D1 plus D2 over T1 plus T2, 100 plus 100 over 10 plus 80 equal 200 over 90 equal 2.2. Okay, so average speed, we have another definition. It represents the regular speed by which the object moves to cover the same distance at the same period of time. Okay, when the body moves at regular speed its average speed equals the regular speed. النقطة دي مهمة جدا يا جماعة، النقطة دي مهمة جدا. لو هو ماشي عندي بيقطع مسافات متساوية في أزمنة متساوية يبقى وهو كده طبعا طول الوقت، يبقى أنا كده بتكلم على كأني بتكلم بالظبط على الافريج سبيد، وكأني بتكلم بالظبط على الريجولار سبيد. اوكي so v dash equal v. okay relative speed here it's in Arabic it means السرعة النسبية. بما ان قلت النسبية يبقى انا كده بيبقى في عندي حد تاني انا بنسب ليه السرعة اللي انا بقيس عليها. على سبيل المثال بيقول لي the observer، انا في عندي الobserver ده اللي هو المراقب، ده the relative speed لو انا عندي المراقب ده at rest. so the relative speed equals the real or actual speed of the object. اوكي طيب لو انا عندي الobserver moving in the same opposite in the opposite direction في الوقت ده هنجمع الاتنين. بس انا في الوقت ده هو عايز ايه؟ في الوقت ده بيقول لي ان الريال سبيد equal the relative speed minus the observer speed. ولكن عندي الريلاتيف سبيد هي بتساوي، هنجمع بقى الاتنين. يبقى لو انا عايز الريلاتيف، نركز يا جماعه عشان السؤال ده بيوقع ناس كتير جدا في الامتحان بتاع نص السنه، بيوقع ناس كتير جدا. بيطلب منه الريال سبيد، يروح هو طبعا اول ما لقى ان البروبلم اللي موجوده قدامه ان العربيتين في عكس الاتجاه، يروح جاي على طول اوتوماتيك جامع يعمل عمليه اد. ولكن هي في الوقت ده احنا مش بنجمع لانه هو طالب الريال سبيد، يبقى هو طالب اللي تحت اللي هي بعد كلمه سول اللي موجوده قدامنا ديت. انا هحددها لكم برضو اهيت اللي هي اللي موجوده. لو هو طالب الريلاتيف سبيد يبقى بنجمع الاثنين الريال والاوبزرفر. لو هو طالب الريال يبقى انا بطرح الريلاتيف سبيد ماينس الاوبزرفر. اوكي طيب نروح لكيس تانية. بيقول the observer is moving in the same direction at different speed. يبقى هنا في الوقت ده برضو لو هو عايز الريلاتيف سبيد في الوقت ده انا بعمل subtract، بعمل minus. اوكي so it will equal the real speed minus the observer. طب لو عايز الريال يبقى بيساوي الريلاتيف على طول، بنعملها بقى بالماث، بنجيب دي الناحية التانية طبعا احنا بنغير التشارج الإشارة بتاعتها يعني. فبالتالي بيدينا ان الريال سبيد equal الريلاتيف بلس الأوبزرفر. طب لو عندي الاتنين as the same direction with the same speed يبقى انا في الوقت ده هعمل subtract والاتنين من بعض equal 0. اوكي ده طبعا relative speed of a moving object in a certain direction is related to a static. لو انا عندي الجسم عندي الأوبزرفر عندي كان ساكن يبقى انا في الوقت ده عندي الريلاتيف بيساوي الريال. اما دي الحالات اللي احنا لسه قايلين عليها دلوقتي. تمام دي طبعا اللي موجود قدامنا ده تطبيق على اللي موجود، وده طبعا will be very easy لانه هيدينا عندي بيقول لي two cars move in the same direction. car A moves at speed of 30 km per hour and car B moves at speed of 80 km per hour while car C moves in the opposite direction at speed of 40 km. Calculate what? Calculate what? Yes, calculate the relative speed of car B. So he need car B, the relative speed of car B. Okay, when the observer stands on the ground in a car A, in a car C. It is very easy. And thank you very much. See you next session, inshallah. Thank you very much, my friends. Bye bye.